In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your iPhone is stuck on the screen showing a cable and a computer icon, it's usually a minor handshake error with the software, and you can often exit this mode without losing any data. So what you can do is try to force the system to reboot into its normal state before reaching for a cable. So disconnect your iPhone from any power or computer cables, then press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, and then press and hold the side button, and just keep holding it even if the screen goes black until you see the Apple logo. And if it works, the phone will boot to your lock screen. And if you have a modern iPhone like 15 or newer, you can use a nearby Apple device to kick it out of recovery mode wirelessly. So place a second iPhone or iPad next to your stuck phone, and on the stuck phone, look for a menu button or restore icon, and a prompt should appear on the working device saying restore nearby iPhone or help exit recovery. Then follow the prompts to send a signal that forces the stuck phone to restart. And just as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.